Hey, XRP Army, it's Jeff here, your ultimate crypto insider, and stop everything because today's X timeline is exploding with predictions that could make your portfolio legendary. Just this morning, top analyst Mr. LZ dropped a bombshell thread with over 1,000 engagements combined, saying XRP just completed the right shoulder on the chart, the same setup before every historic breakout. And with Fed cuts hitting this week, we're staring down a vertical move past 285 straight to 585 or higher. But get this controversy that's got everyone arguing. While skeptics like Accelerating laugh off $2,000 as impossible due to holder dumps at 5+, experts like those cited in Oboni Bean's post are screaming XRP could hit trillions, not billions, based on global utility. Yeah, trillions. Forget small gains, this is moonshot territory from our current 2.49 level on November 2nd, 2025. If you're not glued to your screen right now, you will be, because over the next hour, I'm unpacking exclusive real-time X insights, expert breakdowns, and the FOMO catalysts that could rocket XRP to $2,000 sooner than anyone expects. This is insider alpha you won't snag anywhere else. Stick around, and let's turn this into your best trade ever. Like if you're ready for liftoff, comment your EOY target below, and subscribe now to join the army pushing us to the moon. Alright, let's kick this off with the raw energy buzzing on X today. It's like 2017 all over again, but with institutions in the driver's seat. XRP is up a solid 0.56% at 249, but that's just the calm before the storm. As WampusMan10 pointed out in his viral post with hundreds of views, whales are stacking hard, options premiums are skyrocketing for calls, and Ripple's swell conference starts tomorrow with BlackRock and NASDAQ bigwigs spilling the beans. That's not hype. That's real momentum, and if we break 260, support turned resistance, we're off to the races. But here's a mini cliffhanger to keep you hooked. What if I told you one post from a Humanity Wrath today, with likes pouring in, predicts XRP mooning in months starting next week, while BTC dumps? Yeah, alt season on steroids. Stick with me as we dissect why this flips everything. First, the charts. As Kubrick Shining shared in his detailed 4H update with multiple charts and 10+ likes, XRP's battling the 100-day MA, but a break targets 2.75 and 3011. RSI shows bulls edging control. Imagine it like a rocket fueling up. Fed's 25 basis point cut decompressing the market. MACD teasing across. This isn't guesswork, it's data-backed fire. Like this if the charts excite you, and comment bullish if you're loading up. Diving deeper into the adoption wave that's got the XRP ledger lit up, new users surging 100% overnight, as per insights echoed in today's threads like WaxArp Official 24's explosive post on ISO 2122, flipping the switch November 22nd, with thousands of views and reposts. Bank stitching Swift for instant global settlements? That's XRP's playground, and Henri Onyekwe nailed it with his take. Real ETF possibilities plus ISO narrative set the stage for an even bigger rally than 2017's 55,000% spike. Communities on fire. E-African Gamer replied in a hot debate, saying 3 digits might stretch, but $70 by EOY is believable with regs and institutions aboard. Analogy time. Think of XRP as the underrated engine in a supercar race. Bitcoin's flashy, but XRP is efficient, scaling to trillions in RWAs as Garlinghouse hinted. And today's FOMO? Ejacolaw2303's post on XRP inching to its glory zone, just 2% away per B in crypto, has engagements climbing, cost basis heat maps, and exchange data screaming breakout. If you're feeling that urgency, smash like right now, drop your XRP bag size in comments, and subscribe for daily alpha to stay ahead of the herd. But wait, rhetorical question to spike your pulse. Why is XRP outperforming BTC and ETH at 355% yearly gains while everyone sleeps on it? Mr. LZ's second post today breaks it down. 6-year trend line shattered, consolidating $2.60, $2.80, with Evernorth's 261 million XRP grab and SPAC merger as institutional proof. That's not retail noise, that's big money betting big. Teaser alert, in 2 minutes we'll hit the ETF wildcard that could 10x liquidity. But first, a what-if scenario from AdjustX Official's hypothetical with 8 likes. If XRP becomes the global settlement bridge, a fixed high value gets established, engineered for massive scale. Short-sighted to call 2.49 the peak when evidence screams system reset. Community reactions? And Crypto Insight Took's GIF-laden post with 358 likes reminds us, we've held above $2 for a year after 7 below. Perspective, folks. 5x from averages, yet higher awaits. Like if this flips your doubt, comment your hold story, share with a friend doubting crypto, and sub now. Let's build this community to unbreakable levels. Pacing like a pro insider chat, now the DeFi layer that's undervalued but primed. TVL at 82 matters pre-explosion, as 0x Quantic vibes echo in similar takes today. Flares bridging smart contracts with 3.5-second finality, game changer. Feeder AI's AI analysis post calls for longs targeting 270, support at 245, mixed signals but upward inching. And polls? A Remy Relief X-style queries flooding with $10-50 EOY calls, but a Mr. LZ sees 50-plus conservative, 1,000 XRP at 50K cycle. Why? Right shoulder done, historic setup. Mini cliffhanger, vesting dumps to 0.10 fears, debunk coming, but absorb, odd artist bulls storm to sun vibe, pullbacks to 259 are buy-ins with Trump ETF whispers for 5 plazas EOY. Shodal crew like this, comment, hodl forever, sub for more, and share to spread the spirit. We're rolling. Value stacking. No drop-offs here. On-chain roars. Volume up 40%. New wallets spiking as ISO pulls in Pi Stellar per R Core News 2 echoes. Twice we 64291704. Decodes Garlinghouse's teases. Debates raging. Predictions? Aircore 002's 501 like outlook. $4 conservative amid BTC 150K, but a Humanity Wrath says full utility, bull run, exclusivity, Evernorth's move, supply squeeze, fresh from X. Like if pumped, comment target, sub now. Myth busting time, addressing doubts head on. Myth 1, centralized, Ripple dumps cap at $5. False, 63% escrowed, utility burns supply as aired XRP 2031 threads counter. XECO 19228519, skeptics say 2.77 next, no $1,000. Fair, but a bingo smalls math debates high targets. Pain 2, ETFs vaporware. Nah, Ripple XRP breaks November, launches post-shutdown end. Still May 636873886. Fears dip below $2 on uncertainty, but catalysts outweigh. If doubting, remember Sol's flood, XRP next. FOMO. Billions to trillions per Boney Bean, a Josh FFC03, a Jeff 293400275 shares. This is education, not advice, die or always. Rising excitement, climactic reveal, liquidity models, RWAs, ETFs point to $2,000 cycle peak. A Henry Onyekwers Valhalla call, XRP official 24's ISO flip, pieces align. Conservative $100 short term, but moon $2,000 unlocks quads. Not financial advice, but stars say liftoff. Emotional close, charts flipped, adoption doubled, myths crushed. From 2.49 to moon with army spirit. You've got the edge. Garlinghouse teases, community unbreakable. Uplift high, generational wealth awaits. If mind blown, smash like, comment EOY target, mine's 100 plus, sub for alpha, share with community, let's moon together. More CTAs, like for luck, comment XRP army, sub now, share widely. This isn't advice. Dior, consult pros, Jeff out, stay bullish.